Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Vice President ke World Athletics Dr. Adil Sumariwala ulapan pau bagajing yatai ni gajing Ïamir Jingmut kampat Biang handai Donkam ni gajing Trishtom nakabenta ban Khur Takma hakilumpung yalekai. Habapin pau gajing yalekai jong kamigahalya Sports Conclave arajar arpuhendriu kebalalong hakakhandu tarik jeliu arjar arpuhendriu hakani kanong ba. Dr. Sumariwala ulaong bagamigahalya kesedang ban kiu khendiat hagajing yalekai. Hakilai tali ki National Games belala kamigahalya kamshimna yo ban Khur watang kawe ke Takma Hendrei haga National Games arajar arpusan kebelalong ha Uttarakhand ke jila ke Khur santali ki Takma ke bakinthop ya kawe ke Takma kesiar ar ki Takma rupa bat ar ki Takma rnong ulaong bakani ke dei ke jingjam ke bakhindiat ha Khelo India Youth Games arajar arpundriu ke jila ke Khur sautali ki Takma Tigumta ulaong bagajila ke Donkam ni jing shimbenta bat ban Khur Takma hagi lumbung yelekai kamtam haka National Games arjar arpahanyo ke benong hakani ke jila.
Just discussing is not important, is not good enough. So let me come straight to Meghalaya. First, where credit is due. You are stepping up to host the National Games, and that is not a small responsibility. And this conclave is a good first step in that direction. But let's not avoid the facts. In the last 3 National Games, there were no medals for Meghalaya, and then 5 medals in 2025. Is this progress? Yes, it's a small progress. But let's be clear that the way is long from where you can actually be with the talent that you actually have. In Khelo India Youth Games, there are only 4 medals so far. Participation has improved, yes, but participation is not performance. If Meghalaya wants to be taken seriously as a sporting state, it has to move from just showing up and participating to finishing on the podium, and that too regularly, from time after time after time. Talent is not a problem in Meghalaya. 24,000 tests were conducted on athletes, on 4,551 athletes. The scientific data shows that the athletes in talent match international benchmarks. So the raw material is available, it's right here. Now if you're not getting results, with this sort of raw material, then we need to fix the system. We need to fix the system, the ecosystem around the athlete. You have identified talent from the 24,000 tests that you have done. Now, where are the structured pathways? And that is important. You need to create that pathway from identifying the talent to taking them to elite.
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing stang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura katkom kajok kabamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjob ki urlong, but ki kalalong ka shisha.
MIT University Meghalaya Kajingya lenti kabastang syakalaway bacok.